Hello friends, thank you very much for stopping by my channel. In today's video, I am showing you how to make CV1 hotel coffee maker. This is Rainforest Blend Dark Roast Coffee. First, you will fill up a cup of water. You will lift up the lid in the bag and then pour a cup of water in the water reservoir like so. After that, you can close the lid. Remove coffee from the package. You will be holding on the lip part and then insert it into the coffee maker as you are seeing here. Gently push in as to secure it. I highly recommend using the coffee sleeves as the coffee can get very hot. Press down the gray bar for the process to start and you will see the red light on the bottom. On the back of the coffee package also comes with 3-step instructions. This will take about 3 to 4 minutes to complete. Once the process is completed, the light will shut off by itself. The coffee is good for one serving, now you can discard it. Add cream and sugar and there you have it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, or comment down below. Thank you. Bye for now.